This video will take you through a comprehensive understanding of how to use the RHIKNOWBOT detail construction function. The video is divided into 3 parts: what detail can do, detailed function explanation, and workflow. What can detail do? First, projecting objects onto D-plane to 3D model. Unrolling a block. Drawing graph into D-plane. Using the project tool for 3D projection. Converting curves into solid objects. Convert curves into objects in a click. Using the component function for modular modeling. Applying components to surfaces to quickly generate detailed models. Detailed explanation of the detail function. How to use the project tool. Click Enroll button. Select the block to be enrolled and press the Enter key. Then click on the placement position of the reference plane. Double-click the reference plane to open the plane working window. The projected objects can be points, lines, surfaces, and solid objects, etc. Select the objects to be projected and click Project button. Double-click the reference plane to open the plane working window. Show the pre-prepared curved surface. Select the curved surface and click the project function to complete the projection. Check Mesh. Select the curved surface and click the project function to complete the mesh projection. Use the matching function to achieve one-to-many projections. Switch to the matching function. Custom draw the curved surface. Click Matching to select the reference plane, and then select the target plane, and then select the target plane. Double-click the reference plane to open the plane working window. Show the prepared block object. Click Project, select the object to be projected, and press the Enter key. Complete the one-to-one projection. Click Matching, select the reference plane, and then select to target planes. Select the object to be projected, and click Project to apply. Complete the one-to-many projection. How to use the Line to Solid tool. Click Tube to open the Line to Solid tool. Multiref can establish matching relationships between multiple curved surfaces and curves. Switch the section type. Click the Execute button to select the curve, and press the Enter key to generate a solid object. Switch the section type, and generate solid objects again. Switch to the Singlerif mode. Click Singlerif button. First select the curved surface, and then the curve. Press the Enter key to match the curve with the surface. The Singlerif mode can only operate on a single group of lines and surfaces. Repeatedly establish the matching relationship between curves and surfaces. Click the Execute button to select the curves, and press the Enter key to generate a solid rod. Click Tube to open the Line to Solid tool. Click Multiref and select the curves and surfaces to be matched. Select the curves and click the Apply button. Using Multiref cannot match curves that are not on the surface. Click Singlerif to select a surface then curves. Click Apply button to generate solids. Using Singlerif can match curves that are not on the curved surface. Click the Execute button to select the curve, and press the Enter key. Check Mesh and click the Execute button again. Mesh objects are generated. Click on the Section Profile button to open the section profile list. There are dozens of section profile types. When the mouse cursor moves to the section profile, the current section parameters will pop up. Click the plus button to add a new section profile type. Click Confirm to confirm the adjustment. The section profile list synchronizes the section profile type. Click the minus button to delete the section profile type. The section profile list synchronizes the section profile type. Click on the section profile to open the profile list. Click the plus button to add a new section profile type. You can adjust the parameters by referring to the section profile graph. Adjust the first for section profile parameters. Click Confirm to confirm the adjustment. Click the Apply button to select the curve, and press the Enter key. Generate a solid rod with new section profile parameters. Scroll down to view the other parameters. Section parameter left or right. Use 0 or 1 to determine whether the generated section profile is on the right side or on the left of the curve. Adjust the section profile parameter ag_rotation to 45. Adjust the section profile parameter off_d offset to 300. Click Confirm button to confirm the adjustment. Apply the adjusted section profile. Adjust the section profile parameter ag_rotation to 70 and off_d offset to 100. Click Confirm to confirm the adjustment. Click the Apply button to select the curve to generate a solid object. Add a new section profile type. Click plus to increase the number of section profiles. Edit the section profile parameters. And click Confirm to confirm the adjustment. Click the Apply button to select the curve to generate a solid object. Custom draw the section. Click on the section profile to open the section profile parameter interface. Click plus to add a new section type. Switch to Customize. Click Define to select the custom section. Select whether there is a section seam point. If there is one, select a point. If not, create one. Click the Apply button to generate a solid. Click Save to save this custom profile. Click to delete the self-created section profile type. Switch to Customize and click Load button to select the previously saved self-created section profile. You can choose to import the previously saved self-created section profile type. Use the Cancel function to delete objects. Use the Match function to transfer attributes. Click Match, select the source curve, then the target curve, and press the Enter key. Use the FlipDir function to flip the curve direction. Click FlipDir, select the source curve, and press the Enter key. Use the Unitor function to unify the curve direction. Click Unitor, select multiple curves, and press the Enter key. Use the Fix Corner function to handle the connections of rods. Match and associate the corresponding curves and curved surfaces. Select curves to generate solids. Click Fix Corner, select the curve that needs connection processing, and press Enter. The corner merging is completed. How to use the Component tool. Show the prepared triangular surface object. Click Component 1 to open the component list. Click Define and select the object. Define it as Component 1. Then, open the prepared block object. Click plus to add a new component. Click Define, select the object, and press the Enter key to confirm. Select Comp 1. Click Apply, select the curved surface, and press the Enter key. Complete the component application. Switch to the Comp to component. Click Apply button to apply it to surfaces. Click Apply, select the curved surface, and press the Enter key. Complete the application and replacement of components. Click the Cancel button. Select the surface to be cancelled and press the Enter key. Try to cancel components again. The cancellation fails. Only the current component can be cancelled. Switch back to Comp 1 and cancellation is successful. Switch back to Comp 2, click the Cancel button. The component cancellation is successful. Click Tube to open the Line to Solid interface. Select the surface and the curve. And click Multi-Ref to link the surface and the curves. Select the surface and switch to the reference layer. Select Line Group 1 and click Section 1 to apply. Select Line Group 2 and click Section 2 to apply. Add a glass surface. Hide the Line to Solid interface and open the main interface. Click Comp 1 to open the component list interface. Ensure that the selected curved surface is on the reference layer. Select all objects and click Define to define them as Component 1. Click Save to save a new component. Open the component list. Click the New mode, and an automatic Node to dereference plane will be created in a pop-up window. Draw component layouts with 2D curves using the polyline command. Click the plus button to open the section profile list, which contains dozens of section profile types. Double-click the section profile type to complete the addition. Click the button to delete existing section types. Click the Cancel button to cancel the component object corresponding to the serial number. Click the Add button to select new component objects. Drag the section profile type to the box of the corresponding component object. Solid objects are automatically generated in the model. Drag another section profile to replace the original section profile. Click the section profile icon to adjust the section profile parameters. Click Confirm to complete the adjustment. Adjust another section profile. Click Confirm to complete the component definition. Draw a new surface. Click Self-Define a ref to select the surface. Define the surface as the reference surface. Repeat the previous operations to make components. Click Confirm to complete the component definition. Switch back to the detail interface, and the component list has been updated in real time. Switch to Comp 1, click Apply to apply it. Switch to Comp 2, and apply it too. Click Comp 1 to open the component list. Click Load to choose whether to import a solid model. If you don't import a solid model, click No. If you import a solid model, click Yes. Click Yes and select a component. From the component library, click in the model space to import the solid component. Click Plus to add a new component. Click Load. Select Yes to import a solid model. Click Plus and import a solid model again. Click Load to choose whether to import a solid model. Click No and select a component. From the component library, the component is imported into the component list. Without a solid model, click Plus to add a new component, and import another component without a solid model. Switch back to the detail interface. The component list has been updated in real time. Click Apply, select the surface, and press the Enter key to apply. Switch to other components and also apply. You can also replace the origin component. The default installation address of the component library is. Component files are saved in .shtdt format files. The component library classifies components by different types. Here is how the component library looks like. Open the component list. Click Define to select objects. Define the objects as component Comp 1. Click Plus to add a new component. Click Define to define another component. Define Comp 3 and Comp 4 in the same way. Click Save and select the self-created component library folder. Component files are saved in .shtdt format files. Save self-defined components in the same way. Users can create their own component libraries in this way. Detail function workflow. Projection plus line to solid workflow. Generating basic solid object. Click the Enroll button to enroll the selected volume. Double-click the reference plane to open the plane working window. Adjust the plane working window. Delete unnecessary planes and prompt text. Draw vertical curves using the polyline command. Select the curve and switch layer. Draw other vertical patterns using the array command. Use the scale command to adjust the pattern. Draw horizontal curves. Use the array command to duplicate it. Select all curves and switch to the unified layer. Adjust the facade texture of the curves. Select all curves on the reference plane and click the Project button. Project the curves onto the corresponding target planes. Click Tube to open the line to solid interface. Select Curves and Surface. Click Multiref to establish a matching relationship. Select the vertical curves. Click to apply the profile section. Solid rods are generated on the target surface. Select the horizontal curves and generate solid rods. Click the section profile image to open the profile list. You can switch different profile types and adjust the corresponding data. Select a new section profile and click Confirm button. Apply the new section profile. Replace the previously assigned solid. You can switch the profile type. Click to apply the section profile and replace the former result. Select a trapezoidal profile for type 1 and customize the parameters. Select a semi-trapezoidal profile for type 2 and customize the parameters. Click Confirm button to confirm the adjustment. Switch to profile type 1 and apply to the vertical curves. Select the horizontal curves. Switch type to and apply. Add a surface component blue on the plane. Then add green ones. Select all the curves and surfaces. Switch back to the detail interface. Click Project button to complete the projection. Apply different materials to corresponding objects and add floor slabs. Select all curves and hide them. Finally, render the blocks. Projection plus component workflow. Add surface group 1 green. Add surface group 2 blue. Copy one of the surfaces. Put it in reference layer. Draw a rectangle as window frame. Click Tube button to open the line to solid interface. Click Multiref to establish a matching relationship. Click the icon to open the section profile interface. Click the thumbnail and change the section data corresponding to the thumbnail. Select the curve and apply Profile 1 to generate a solid. The curve generation direction is set incorrectly. Select the curve, click Cancel to delete the content. Select the curve, click the Flip Gear button to reverse the curve direction. Generate solid rod again. Flip the other curve and generate solid again. Add a glass surface. Add a wooden veneer surface. Copy a new surface. Draw a window frame on it. Click Multiref to establish a matching relationship. Switch to Type 2 and set new profile parameters. Select the curve and apply Profile to. Add a glass surface as well. Copy to get another reference surface. Draw patterns on it. Use multi-ref to establish a matching relationship. Switch to Profile to and set new section parameters. Switch to Profile 3 and set new section parameters. Select the outer frame and apply Profile to. Select the inner frame and apply Profile 3. Add a glass surface. Switch to the Detail interface. Open the Component List Edit window. Define all the 4 components. Switch to the Detail interface and browse the component list. Select all surfaces and click Project button to complete the projection. Select Surface Group 1 green. Click Apply to apply Comp 1. Select Surface Group 2 blue. Switch to Comp 2 and click Apply button. Select the blue surface group, switch to Comp 3, and replace the former result. Switch to Comp 4, and replace again. Get back to Comp 2. Add floor slabs and assign materials. Render the model.